Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. I love we can do a 15 minutes low impact cardio. Let's get started right here and march it out. And we're gonna tap your toes right here, swing your arms. So opposite arm and the leg. In 4, 3, 2, that's it, tap side and reach. So just listen to your shoulders. And again, for 4, 3, in 2, I'm gonna tap back. Right here, let's go. Tap, tap, that's it. Come on. And again for 4, 3, in 2, that's it, and release, and march. I have Riley right here coming back and forth. He wants his feet. We're gonna bring your heels in front. So lift your toes as high as you can. In 4 again, 3, in 2. I'm gonna switch your arms, ready? Swing down, back and forth, side to side. And again for 4, 3, in 2, that's it. Let's bring your knees up, right here. Stay nice and tall. Let's switch with leg curls. Take your butt. And create enough room because we're going to move forward and back. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Again forward. In 4, 3, 2, and back for 4. Let's go step back. Same thing, we're going to move forward and back. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Again, forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Let's go back to knees up. I'm going to modify it. Open your knees. Let's go. Again, 4, 3, and 2. We're gonna march on the spot. Let's rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. And I much prefer going backwards and forward because it's posture. Bring your elbows a little bit higher. Respect your shoulders. That's it. Good. And let's go up. And up. That's it. Again. 4, 3, 2, good. We're gonna tap side and reach. Let's go. Up, up, up. Woo! In 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Press in front. Right here. In 4, 3, 2. Keep the shoulders in the pockets. We're gonna cross your arms. Cross. Cross. That's it. Again. For 4, 3, in 2. That's it. Let's go back up for 4. 4, 3, 2, front. 4, 3, 2, and cross your arms. And up for 2. Front. Cross. Up for 2. And front. Cross. Let's go back one more time. Up, front, cross. That's it. Let's step back. Same thing. Up, up. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna go back to step touch. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna move again. Same thing. Forward and back. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Again, forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards. under, cross under. Swing your arms. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. You might start feeling a little bit warmer here. Again, forward. And backwards. Let's go back with knees up. Up. If you want to add some impact, you know what? Just bring your knees up, jump it out. Open your knees. 4, 3, 2, and leg curls. Kick your butt. We're gonna move again forward and back. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Same thing, forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. And step touch and reach. Tap your toes behind you. Let's go front. Keep the shoulders again right in the pockets. 4, 3, 2, cross your arms. 4, 3, 2, let's go down, looking straight ahead. That's it. Again, 4 more. 3, 2, up for 4. 4, 3, 2, front. Cross. And down. 4, 3, 2, up for 2. Front. Cross. Down. Up for 2. Front. Cross. And down. Let's go back, leg curls. 4, 3, 2, march forward. 4, 3, 2, and back. And again, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back for 4. And march it out. Are we feeling our hips? I'm gonna do more hips pretty soon here. Are you ready? We're gonna bring the knees up, travel to the side very slow. Let's go up and travel. 2 more. Last one. Same thing to the other side. 4, 3, feel your hips. 2. Can we do it again? Let's go for 4. 4, 3, 2. That's it. One more time. Let's go. 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And release and march it out. Let's go back with the arms up and back. That's it. Try to twist as well the upper body. And we're gonna tap back right here. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Let's go only with one leg. Tap and back and forth. Good job. Again. 4, 3, 2. Switch your legs. Same thing. Tap back. Bring the knee up. Ready? 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Step touch. Keep moving. Anytime it's getting too much for you, walk on the spot, have water. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards, go 4. Same thing, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back. Same thing, side tap and reach. Let's go front. 4, 3, 2, cross your arms. Up for 4. Front. Cross. And now we're gonna go for 2. Ready? Let's go up. Front. Cross. And up. Front. Cross. That's it. And release. Step touch. We're gonna transfer to skater. Cross under. I'm gonna travel again forward and back with this one. Ready? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. And again, forward, 4, 3, 2, and back. Open your arms and press. So tap your toes behind you, contract your glutes. Let's go reach. Open, 4, 3, 2, and reach. We're gonna open your arms for 2. Let's reach. Open for 2. And reach. Now we're gonna go single, 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 open, single, reach. And march it out. Rotate your shoulders again, slowly backwards. Okay, let's repeat again. Are you ready? Tap your toes, swing your arms. Let's go heels in front, side to side with your arms. 4, 3, 2, tap back. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, tap side and reach. Let's go. Up, up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Let's go front. 4, 3, 2. Cross your arms. And again, 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Up for 4. Front. Cross. Up for 2. Front, cross, up, front, cross, and march. Good job. I'm going to go back to knees up. I'm going to bring your heart rate again down pretty soon. Let's go back, knee up. Open your knees. 4, 3, 2, leg curls. 4, 3, 2, let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Same thing, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back. Let's go back to step dash. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. And again, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back for 4. Back side and reach. 4, 3, 2, let's go front. And a very squeaky spot here. 4, 3, 2, cross your arms. That's it again. 4, 3, 2, up for 4. Front. And cross. And up for 2. Front. Cross. Up. Front. Cross. One more time. Let's go up. Front. Cross. That's it. And release and march. I'm going to do something else with your hips. I'm going to rotate my hips. I'm going to go to the side. Okay? Slow. Rotate. Out. In. Out. In. 2 more times. And last one. Same thing. Let's go to the other side. 4. Out and in. 3. Stay nice and tall. That's it. One more time. And switch. Are we feeling our hips? That's it. 3. 2 more. Last one. Let's go switch. 4. 3. And 2. Beautiful. And one more. And march it out. Let's go inhale. Exhale. And again, keep breathing up. 2 more times, up. That's it. And one more. We're gonna go back to tap the toes, and I'm gonna bring your heart rate down, and we're gonna grab water. Bring your heels in front, and swing your arms, not as high this time. 4, 3, and 2. Same thing, let's go back to the march. Inhale, exhale, again up, and down. 2 more times, up, and one more. Good, please keep marching right here. Thank you so much for watching this little video. If you want more, please go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.